Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make fresh orange juice. So now let's see what is required to make fresh orange juice. We need some fresh oranges. Here first I'm going to peel the skin of orange. After removing the skin, just cut into 4 pieces. Just roughly make a cut. And remove these seeds as I am showing you in the video. Then take a mixie jar and add those pieces in a jar. Repeat the same process with the rest of the oranges. Then here sugar is optional. Now just blend this. You can add sugar or you can skip it also. Here I have blended my orange juice. You can see it's very yummy. Now take a glass and a strainer. Just strain the juice. Take the help of a spoon here. With the help of a spoon and a strainer, we have strained the orange juice in a glass. Serve chilled. So this was our today's recipe, how to make fresh orange juice at home. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our today's recipe. See you in the other session with a new recipe. Till then, take care, keep smiling, bye bye.